5 seconds to go. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all to Rashtrapati Bhavan. Only yesterday, I had met young and bright officials of your senior batches. It gives me immense pleasure when I see young officials like you who have dreams in their eyes for the country and people. Hence, I congratulate you for your selection in various administrative accounts, security and engineering services of Indian Railways. I am sure that you will contribute your best in serving the nation and the fellow citizens. I have been listening to your training experiences for the past 2 days and found them extremely useful to prepare yourself as responsible officers. As you all know that the technological changes are taking place at an unprecedented speed and scale. I expect you to work collectively and make Indian Railways a future ready organization. Unlike any commercial organization, the Indian Railways is a social lifeline of the country. At the risk of repeating myself, I will say again that it carries the dreams of ordinary people. I would like to share that the trains and their journeys have always been an important part of people's lives. From local trains to long distance trains, every train journey creates and witness countless stories. Being a very important part of such an establishment which has a strong impact on public life, you must understand that the nation and the people have huge expectations from you. You are capable enough to deal with range of challenges as diverse as building the world's highest bridges to ensuring hygienic and delicious food and clean toilets to the travelers. We have come a long way from the days of steam propelled engines. The Indian Railways is day by day getting more fuel efficient and adopting innovative and environment friendly solutions too. The railway infrastructure development gives a big boost to the country's socio-economic growth and development. The redevelopment of railway stations under Amrit Bharat Station Scheme using green technology and adding world-class amenities is a great people-centric initiative that will provide a strong push to tourism activities and economic progress. I am confident that all the bright young officers present here today will play a productive role in the making of a modernized green Indian railways and the building of a developed nation. You all are going to be the foundations of the robust transportation system of the country. Therefore, it is important that you acquire the required skills, knowledge, and expertise in transport ecosystem as a whole. You should study and adopt the best practices from within the country and those from other countries too. I urge you all to work in coordination with the officers of other departments also for achieving the goal of an Atmanirbhar Bharat and developed nation. Uh, I would also like to emphasize that you should strive to work efficiently and persistently against all odds to achieve personal and professional goals. In the end, I would like to extend my best wishes for your future endeavors. May you make the country proud. इसमें आत्मनिर्भर के बाद भारत को डिलीट कर दीजिए.